Unit 4, Lesson 10, System Information. The Uname Command. Uname means Unix name. The Uname command displays information about Linux's operating system and hardware. However, Uname displays the Linux kernel version you're using on your system. The syntax is Uname option R. The Uname option A command showcases the kernel's name, hostname, release date, version, hardware name, hardware platform, and operating system. The syntax is Uname option A. We're executing the Uname option R command. Linux just displayed the kernel version of our system. It's the 5.10.0 version. Now, we're going to execute the Uname option A command. Linux just displayed our computer's hostname, the kernel, hardware, and operating system information. The Uptime Command. The Uptime Command displays how long your system has been running. It prints the current time, how long the system has been running, the number of users currently logged in, and the load time. The syntax is uptime. We're executing the command uptime. You can now see the running details. The Hostname Command. The Hostname command displays the system's hostname. A hostname is a name that uniquely identifies your computer within a network. The syntax is hostname. The Hostname option Hi command displays the system's IP address. The syntax is hostname option I. First, we're going to execute the hostname command. The hostname for this Linux machine is OSBoxes. Next, we're going to execute hostname option I. You can now see the IP address of this machine. It's 127.0.1.1. The last reboot command. The last reboot command displays the time and date of the previous system reboots. The syntax is last reboot. The command is last reboot. We now have a timetable of system reboots. The Whoami command. Whoami means who am I. This command displays the username of the current user. The syntax is whoami. The command is whoami. The name of this user is OSBoxes. The W command. The W command displays which user is logged in and their activities. The syntax is W. We're executing the W command. We expect Linux to print a summary of our user activity. The Finger command. The Finger command displays details of the logged-in user. It showcases their username, login name, home directory, and even their email if they have one. The syntax is finger, username. The command is finger, and because we only have one single user on this machine, we're going to write OSBoxes. Here's the user information for OSBoxes.